What is up guys, this is Jay here and welcome to yet another video of Tricky Solution. If you are using iPhone 11, 11 Pro or 11 Pro Max and don't get notification in your phone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix the problem. And to fix the problem, very first process, you have to go on setting, then tap on notification. Here you can see the show previews option. Make sure your show previews should turn on always, and this is the most important thing. You should keep turn always, and then you have to go focus, and then you have to check do not disturb mode is turn on off. You should turn this one off always, and then you have to go battery, and here you can see the low power mode. Your low power mode should turn off always, cause as it saves the battery, it's not gonna allow your notification and anything. It's gonna block your notification. I hope your problem will be solved. If you are still facing the problem, then follow the next step, setting, then you have to go general, then you can see the transfer or reset iPhone. Here you can see the erase all content and setting, then continue. Here you have to input your iPhone pass. Before resetting your phone, make sure in mind that if you reset your iPhone, you are gonna lose your data from your phone. Go ahead and input your passcode, and afterward your problem will be solved. I hope you guys got the solution. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.